Hello aspirants, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This video forms a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll focus on a PIB news. So in accordance with this PIB news, recently Mohua flowers and Himalayan goat meat have been exported to France and UAE respectively. Now it's a massive development. Why? Because government of India has been trying hard to boost the exports of these two regions. As a matter of fact, we still have so many regions wherein the exports have never been possible. So these regions are not part of our export map. But Uttarakhand and Chhattisgarh have now become a part of our export map after exporting Mohua flowers and Himalayan goat meat. So Mohua flowers were procured from Chhattisgarh and these were collected by the tribal population. So here you can see it is also increasing the employment. Why? Because people are getting jobs. So this will boost up the economy of Chhattisgarh. And most importantly, small farmers are benefiting from these exports. Now, as far as Himalayan goat is concerned, it was procured from Uttarakhand. Now let's talk about the Mohua flowers. These Mohua flowers are used for making liquor, medicine and syrup. Here I would like to highlight the role of APEDA. APEDA has been instrumental in facilitating the growth of agricultural and processed food products. In fact, one of our last classes, we spoke about the export of dragon fruits. So this has been possible, these exports have been possible because of APEDA. Now from the prelims perspective, remember APEDA falls under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And its objective is to facilitate the exports of agricultural and processed food products. So what exactly does it do? It provides the market, it provides the necessary infrastructure, and it focuses on the quality of products. So from the prelims perspective, just remember about the export of dragon fruit because dragon fruits were exported to UK and Bahrain. We discussed in one of our last classes. And now you remember about the exports of Himalayan goat meat and Mohua flowers. So that's all you need to know as far as the prelims is concerned. And I'm providing the notes. You can revise these new notes. And I'm providing the notes. You can revise this content before your upcoming prelims. And if you have liked our initiative, then you can follow our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can subscribe our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session. Thank you very much.